How to fix Rust Steam authorization failed. First thing you can do is you can exit your Steam, try restarting your Steam. So in your hidden apps, just exit Steam and then open it again. Then try launching Rust again. Now if it still doesn't work, go to your Steam library. On your sidebar, just right click the game. So for example, this is my Rust game. Just right click it, then go to your properties and your installed files. Just verify integrity of the game. Just be patient, wait for it to finish, then try launching the game again. Now if that doesn't work, go to your settings and go to your storage. Select the drive where you've installed your game and then click on it and uninstall. Or what you can do is go to your Windows search and type add or remove programs, and in your installed files just search for the app here and then go and uninstall your game. Now try reinstalling it again. Hope this helps.